Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Debank Charts, a comprehensive tutorial designed to help you understand and navigate the world of cryptocurrency. Portfolio tracking. Debank is a popular platform that provides detailed charts and analytics for various cryptocurrencies, allowing users to track their portfolio performance and make informed investment decisions. To get started, first create an account on the Debank website and link your cryptocurrency wallets or exchanges. This will enable you to view your portfolio and track your assets in real time. Once you have set up your account, navigate to the Charts section, where you will find a range of visualization tools and metrics to help you analyze your portfolio. The first key concept to understand is the Portfolio Overview chart, which provides a high-level view of your entire portfolio, including the total value of your assets, profit and loss, and the distribution of your investments across different cryptocurrencies. This chart is essential for understanding the overall performance of your portfolio and identifying areas for improvement. In addition to the Portfolio Overview chart, Debank also provides detailed charts for individual cryptocurrencies, including price charts, trading volume, and market capitalization. These charts are useful for analyzing the performance of specific assets and making informed investment decisions. Another important feature of Debank charts is the ability to track your portfolio in different time frames, from 1 day to 1 year. This allows you to analyze your portfolio performance over different periods and identify trends and patterns that may not be immediately apparent. To get the most out of Debank charts, it is essential to understand some key metrics, including return on investment, Sharpe ratio, and portfolio volatility. These metrics provide valuable insights into the performance of your portfolio and help you make informed investment decisions. In terms of best practices, it is recommended to regularly review and update your portfolio to ensure that it remains aligned with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Debank charts provide a range of tools and features to help you do this, including alerts and notifications, portfolio rebalancing, and tax reporting. By following this guide and using Debank charts effectively, you can take control of your cryptocurrency portfolio and make informed investment decisions. Remember to always do your own research, set clear investment goals, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. With Debank charts, you have the tools and insights you need to succeed in the world of cryptocurrency investing.